Experiencing issues with Tesco Mobile roaming in Europe? Don't worry, it's often a quick fix. The most common cause is incorrect access point name settings. Your APN acts as a gateway connecting your device to the internet via Tesco Mobile's network. The correct APN setting is mobile.2.co.uk. Leave the username and password fields blank. To fix this, manually input these settings in your phone's mobile network settings. First, go to Settings and access the Mobile Network section. Next, manually enter the APN details in the Access Point Names section. Also, ensure data roaming is enabled in your phone's settings. Restarting your device after updating the APN is crucial for the changes to take effect. Most users on supported devices experience seamless roaming, and issues are often resolved with a simple network reset or APN update. If basic APN fixes don't resolve your roaming issues, start by checking for carrier updates through the Tesco Mobile app. This ensures your device has the latest network configurations. If problems continue, contact Tesco Mobile support for IMEI-based diagnostics. Their team can identify device-specific issues and provide targeted solutions. Remember that 4G and 5G compatibility can vary significantly between devices. Older models may not support the latest network bands used in Europe. Looking ahead, mobile roaming trends are shifting toward unified 5G ecosystems. These integrated networks will simplify connectivity across Europe, reducing the need for manual APN configurations. AI-driven optimization will automatically manage network settings, eliminating common configuration errors and ensuring optimal performance in different countries. Tesco Mobile is currently piloting eSIM-based roaming technology. This allows instant network switching without physical SIM cards, making international travel connectivity much more seamless. While roaming issues are becoming increasingly rare with these advancements, staying updated through the Tesco Mobile app and website ensures you always have the latest features and troubleshooting tools for smooth connectivity while traveling.